Human Capital Management, HCM, Software Market 2021 Global Outlook, Research, Trends, and Forecast to 2026. The latest research report on human capital management, HCM, software market informs the reader of all significant aspects influencing industry behavior, such as key growth drivers and challenges, to enable stakeholders in making informed decisions for the future. It also includes a comparison of the past and current business scenarios to back the study's predictions. Further, the document offers a detailed account of the several market segments and recognizes the key areas that will promise robust revenues in the coming years. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. As per industry experts, human capital management, HCM, software market size is projected to accrue high profits over 2021 to 2026, registering a CAGR of XX% throughout. The research literature unravels the repercussions of COVID-19 pandemic on this domain, laying key emphasis on obstacles like changes in customer behavior, supply chain fluxes, and imbalances in business operations. It also recommends various approaches that will assure an upward growth trajectory in the ensuing years. Important pointers from Human Capital Management, HCM, Software Market Report, COVID-19 status and its impact on industry remuneration. Approximations for the growth rate of the market and sub-markets. Predominant trends in the vertical. Opportunities for business expansion. Pros and cons of indirect and direct sales channel. Leading traders, suppliers, and dealers. Human Capital Management, HCM, software market segments covered in the report, geographical bifurcation, North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific, South America and Middle East and Africa. Review of the business landscape for each regional market at country level. All-inclusive data on the sales and revenue of each area. Industry share captured by top regional contributors. Estimates for the growth rate of every regional market over the assessment time period. Product types, cloud-based, web-based and on-premises. Sales, revenue, and market share of each product segment. Each product category's pricing pattern. Application spectrum, small business, mid-sized business and large business. Overall revenue and sales secured by each application segment. Product pricing in accordance with application scope. Competitive dashboard, the major players covered in human capital management, HCM, software are Oracle, Ceridian, SAP, Automatic Data Processing, Incorporated, and Pesadas, Epicor Software, Workday, Kronos, Accenture, IBM, NetSuite, Cornerstone OnDemand, PeopleStream, Ultimate Software, HR Mantra, Ramco Systems, Infinisors, The Payroll Company, Ascentus, Empstrack Andapay Systems. Product and services offered by top companies. Manufacturing facilities of leading organizations across the service geographies. Annals of the pricing patterns, gross margins, sales, market share, and cumulative revenue of the key players. SWOT analysis of the prominent organizations. Emerging and new contenders in the marketplace. Scrutiny of well-known business tactics. Conclusive overview of market concentration ratio and commercialization rate. Purpose of human capital management, HCM, software, to evaluate the value, market share, sales margin, human capital management, HCM, software industry status, 2016 to 2020, and forecast scenario, 2021 to 2026. To study the top players of human capital management, HCM, software and their company profiles, production, consumption, and import-export statistics. To analyze the human capital management, HCM, software industry growth, opportunities, development, market risks across various regions. To understand the competitive market view, SWOT, and gross margin statistics. To present, describe, analyze, and define the human capital management, HCM, software industry on basis of product type, applications, and regions. To examine the development plans, industry policies, market size, value and sales of top human capital management, HCM, software players. To study crucial factors like market risks, drivers, maturity analysis of human capital management, HCM, software. Overview of table of contents, human capital management, HCM, software market overview. Human capital management, HCM, software market company profiles. Market competition, by players. Market size segment by type. Market size segment by application. North America by country, by type, and by application. Europe by country, by type, and by application. Asia Pacific by region, by type, and by application. South America by country, by type, and by application. Middle East and Africa by country, by type, and by application. Research findings and conclusion.